Welcome to FleetWiki.net, a user-supported knowledge base. It is designed to enable fleet administrators to make informed purchase decisions more quickly by providing a comprehensive resource that consolidates research in one central location. It provides data on the total cost of ownership for fleet vehicle technologies under evaluation, alongside information from their local Clean Cities Coalition partner on government regulations and incentives that may influence purchase decisions in the territories where they operate. You arrived here either through an invitation from a sponsor or by selecting one during registration. Supplier profiles are the foundation of the knowledge base. There are over 500 profiles covering 100 advanced fleet vehicle technologies. Let's explore the resources available to a fleet operator in Richmond, Virginia, known by the forum name Frugal One, who was invited by Ford Motor Company to join the knowledge base under the research topic of all-electric automobiles. Frugal One will find Ford's supplier profile at the top of the home page. Show More displays their lineup of electric fleet vehicles. Clicking on one, Ford e-Transit, for example, takes you to that web page. The profile also provides direct links to complementary Ford solutions, like charging stations and telematics. Next, you will find links to their website and social media pages, company resources library, and contact information. Next is the profile of their fleet's local Clean Cities Coalition partner, in this case, Virginia Clean Cities. Show More displays information on government regulations and incentives applicable to the territory in which they operate. Clicking on one, Utility and Private Incentives for EV Charging Stations, for example, takes you to that web page. Next, you will find links to the Virginia Clean Cities website and social media pages, resources library, and contact information. Now, let's see how Frugal One would use the FleetWiki knowledge base to research the purchase of a new regional delivery truck. To begin, type trucks in the search bar. The technologies returned are all electric, diesel, gasoline, natural gas, and propane trucks. Clicking on all electric trucks, vans, and buses takes you to that research topic. The suppliers of interest include Freightliner, Lion Electric, Nikola, Tesla, MAN, and Volvo. Clicking on a supplier, Nikola, for example, takes you to their page, where you can find vehicle specifications, including battery capacity and range. Next, navigate to your profile icon and select the My Fleet calculator. To evaluate the Nikola battery electric semi-truck, enter details such as miles driven, fuel price, and fuel economy. The calculator will then provide the annual fuel cost and the social cost of carbon emissions, measured in terms of tank-to-wheel CO2 emissions. You can follow the same process to evaluate the diesel-powered Cascadia Day Cab. In this comparison, the fuel and social cost of carbon for the Cascadia Day Cab is approximately twice that of the Nikola BEV. Additionally, cost-saving technologies, such as telematics, can be evaluated for any vehicle. For example, estimates are available for potential fuel cost savings and emissions reductions when the Cascadia Day Cab is equipped with low rolling resistance tires. Once you've narrowed your search to a few promising technologies, return to the supplier's profile and click the Contact Us button. This will connect you with the supplier sales team for information on pricing and availability. To justify your purchase decision to management, you'll also need reliable data on factors such as insurance, maintenance costs, and residual values. To explore the resources available through the FleetWiki knowledge base, click your profile icon, select Start Here, and view the overview tutorial. FleetWiki provides a wealth of information, including technical documents, white papers, case studies, and discussion forums where you can connect with fellow fleet professionals, seek advice, and share insights on application-specific issues. The uncertainty surrounding future government regulations and incentives, combined with the emphasis on reducing greenhouse gas emissions and improving driver safety, has made it increasingly challenging for fleet administrators to gather the information needed to upgrade or replace their fleet vehicles. FleetWiki.net was created to centralize this information, enabling fleet administrators to research their options more quickly and confidently.